Hello and welcome to another edition of Coffee Talk with Immigration Attorney Brian D. Lerner. We're talking about what needs to be done to get back to the United States once you have been deported. And in this particular video, I'd like to talk in some detail about the fact that several of the different types of waivers, which we will get into, require that you show extreme hardship or some form of hardship to a U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident relative in order to come back. And obviously, if you're just submitting something saying, you know, my spouse will miss me or will suffer a lot if I'm not there, that won't suffice. So there are some general rules, some specifics that you can follow in order to put into the waiver or to the item, the petition that needs to be prepared in order to try to get a positive answer. In many of the waivers, extreme hardship is actually a statutory requirement and needs to be shown. Now the question is, what do you need to show that? Well, these are some specifics. The age of the applicant, both at entry and at the time of application for relief, the age of the qualifying relatives, which those are the relatives you need to show the extreme hardship to actually, the applicant's length of residence in the U.S. over the statutory minimum time, the applicant's family ties, both in the United States and abroad, the health of the applicant and the qualifying relatives, the applicant's financial status and occupation, excuse me, the applicant's ties to the community, the economic and political conditions in the home country, any disruption of educational opportunities, any adverse psychological impact of the deportation, any linguistic or cultural factors that make securing employment in the home office difficult, or the home country difficult, any relevant factors or conditions in the home country, and the applicant's involvement and position in the local community, and also the applicant's immigration history. So you need to include all of these factors as much as you can, not just the hardship as is shown to the qualifying relative, but also all of the factors as would be applicable to you, the applicant. Okay, more on the coming videos.